gorgeous 600 LT in Lantana purple. Such with, I believe, the Aero Package 3 with a fixed rear spoiler. Gorgeous. Gorgeous 600 LT. 600 LT full track and 720S Spider for the road trip. Perfect spec. Really aggressive, all these carbon details. And the Sana seats. Can't stop staring at it.